Sup everyone, it looks like the Chime Bank app is calling all of us because I'm here with another video. My name is Elijah from Financial Anatomy, and we talk about apps that involve money and personal finance here. Of course, we're here to help you take control of your financial destiny. We're going to be covering how can you transfer money from one account to another using the Chime Banking app. Alright, let's go ahead and get into it by opening the Chime app up. Once you're on the home page, click on Move at the bottom of the screen, and then hit where it says Transfer Money. Once here, you can pick exactly what bank accounts you want to use to transfer money between. So for this example, I actually want to transfer money from my Chime Bank account to my Chime Credit Builder. So I'm going to click on the From and select my Chime Checking. And I would select Chime Builder, but it did it for me. And I'll be transferring $5. So I'm going to click on $5. Hit review, and then hit transfer. Now it lets you know exactly how long this transfer is going to take. It'll let you know if it's going to be instant or if it'll take 1 to 3 business days. Generally speaking, Chime tends to move money relatively fast compared to other banks, but keep in mind that if you're initiating the transfer and you're pulling money from another bank, those transfers tend to take longer. But if you're transferring money out of Chime to somewhere else, those transfers tend to take between 1 to 2 business days in my experience. Maybe even the same day if you're transferring to another online bank like Varo. But just keep in mind, Chime will give you a heads up on how long it probably will be. And that covers this video. If you have any questions or comments, drop them in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new. Hit that like button if you found value in this video. And if you're interested in signing up with Chime, there'll also be a link in the description or in the pinned comment that you can use to do so. I'll catch you in the next video. Don't forget to get out there and take control of your financial destiny.